Okay, well, thank you for that introduction and welcome everybody to the session today. So Elizabeth's already introduced me, but here is a little picture of me so you can actually see who is speaking to you at the moment. And as Elizabeth mentioned, I've been with Elsevier for 15 years working in a variety of different roles within the company, but always with a focus on how people can better use information, scientific information, be it via publication or by derived content formats in some of our online products. Currently based in Maryland, in the US, and that's where we are today as we give you this webinar. Okay, so I just wanted to tell you a little bit about Elsevier as a company. So for those of you on the phone that have heard of Elsevier, you're probably more familiar with us because we are one of the world's biggest publishers of content. And that is really within the STM, science, technology, and medicine area for both journals and books. So we currently have more than 2,000 journals and a huge number of books in print. Elsevier as a company was actually founded 130 years ago in the Netherlands, and that's where the name comes from. Elsevier, via meaning for, and it's a Dutch name. It's founded by a Dutch guy back then. Today, and I think really also for the last 30 or 40 years, we've been really concentrating on not just the publication part of our business, but how we can add more value to scientists, developing a whole range of solutions. So one of those, for example, Embase has been around for over 40 years now, and it's a search product which allows people to get the most from journal articles, not just Elsevier articles, I must say, but also all the journals from around the world. So we have a variety of different units within the company that are concentrated on solutions for researchers, be it in academia, research and development, or in the medical field. In academia, we have a focus really on research intelligence. We have Scopus, but we also have SciVal. We have a variety of tools which are really aimed at helping people understand how their institutions are performing in terms of research, helping them find more information more quickly. We also have a big focus on R&D. I'm actually in the R&D group within Elsevier, and there we focus on life sciences, but also on engineering and on geology. So the products that you'll see mentioned there, Reaxys is very much around chemistry, drug chemistry, GeoFacets is very much for geologists, Novel is an engineering product. So we have a lot of products which are aimed at the end users, and please do go to our elsevier.com website and look through some of these products after the seminar. Clinical solutions, we've been doing a lot in the clinical field, both helping at point of care, but also in research institutions, Clinical Key being one of our major products there. And lastly, we also have a big focus on education solutions, ongoing medical education being a big focus, and also nursing education in our Elsevier education business. So that's a little bit about Elsevier. Now, as part of this journey, as we've moved into the solution business, we've become much more interested in how we extract content. So a lot of our solutions use manual methods to extract content. So we have a lot of indexes that take content out of journal articles that are then put into the derived databases such as Embase and Reaxys. But we've also had a big interest in text mining, in automating those processes as the amount of information increases. And that's really what I've been focusing on for the last 10 years, and has led us to actually develop a text mining product within the company, but also given us a deep interest in text mining and the value of text mining.